Hello, my name is Lubinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, is Bitcoin a scam? Can you buy Bitcoin at the moment right now in Zambia? The answer is yes and yes. Bitcoin is not a scam. It's just that people use it to scam other people. Lately, I've been noticing on Facebook people like using Bitcoin to scam like a lot of people, saying they can invest this much to earn this much, they can put in this much without even understanding. As in, how do you put your money? You don't even understand anything. You're not supposed to put your money in something that you don't understand. You have to understand something before you actually put money into that thing. So let me just give you a quick introduction on what Bitcoin is. So okay, Bitcoin was invented or created by a group of people. They were hackers. It was created in 2008. These hackers used to call themselves Sakamoto Satoshi. It's a cryptocurrency that has actually grown naturally. It just moved on its own, like really, it has just grown like nobody was like expecting it to reach this limit. Okay, so you'd ask yourself like, how can I acquire Bitcoin here in Zambia? There are two ways to it. It's either you can mine it or buy it. Let me explain one thing. One Bitcoin is not cheap. One Bitcoin is equivalent to about 1 million kwacha, not 1,000, but 1 million. It's equivalent to 1.5 million. So meaning it's equivalent to 1,500,000 at the time of this recording. And one Satoshi, that's the unity price of a Bitcoin, meaning like the way we say $1, the unit price for $1 is 1 cent. So unit price for a Satoshi, for a Bitcoin is a Satoshi, 1 Satoshi. You can buy at any time. So if you want to mine Bitcoin, you will need to buy mining rigs. Okay? You buy mining rigs, that's how you mine Bitcoin. If you want to buy and sell in Bitcoin, you just hold into the Bitcoin until it grows. There's a new company that was recently formed here in Zambia. It's called CryptoBay. You can buy cryptocurrencies. These guys are good. Where you can actually meet them face to face. Though you choose either to keep buy cryptocurrency and keep it in a physical account, or buy cryptocurrency and keep it on a wired account. What I'm trying to say here is either you put it on your phone or on a wired device. It's as simple as that. So either ways, I'll make a video on this company in the next video that I'll make. Right now, we're just focusing on Bitcoin and how you need to understand it. You ask yourself like many questions that I receive, and many questions that most of you guys ask yourself is this: how does it work? How is it money? So it's money in a way that when you buy these mining rigs, these mining rigs in the sense they're servers, right? So these mining rigs, what they do is this: they create a blockchain. That blockchain, it's too complex. They're solving mathematics here. So immediately the blockchain is not really complete. Just like when you start everything on and everything, like then boom, it's done. No, it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of internet service, a lot of power. Then when the blockchain is done, you are given a reward of a Satoshi. Not one Satoshi, but I'm not sure at the moment right now, but you are given a reward. Then as time moves, that Satoshi will grow into one coin. Okay? That is how Bitcoin is formed. Another question that mostly I receive from people is, how can I start mining Bitcoin? The same company that I was talking about, CryptoBay, they have the softwares and the right tools and the right ways you can mine Bitcoin. If you want to be a miner, they can bring the tools to you. Obviously, you have to pay them. But they're legit. You pay them, they'll do everything for you, and you become a miner. You'll be supplying. And by the way, in Zambia, it's low tax. As in, they don't tax. That's what I know. Cryptocurrency in Zambia, no, they don't tax. They don't, not even a bit. They don't. Not yet, I think not yet. So, again, the most questions that I actually receive again is, can you be rich off Bitcoin? Obviously, how do you buy shares in something and not become rich? For as long as the shares are like growing, obviously you become rich off Bitcoin. That's how it works. I'll give you an example of the most richest businessman here we have in Zambia, Mr. Hakainde Ichilema. If you look at his portfolio, he has made it in life through investment. Buying shares, buying that, keto, investing in a lot of things. Same as this. You're investing. Obviously you have to know you can fall and you can also rise. The higher the risk you take, the more money you make. Hope I've answered that question. Another question that I really receive is this: can you lose money off Bitcoin? Yes. Most people have actually lost money off Bitcoin, not because of Bitcoin, no. they've lost money off Bitcoin is because random people just go to them in the DMs like, oh, I can send a 5,000 into a 20,000. How is that possible? How is that possible? What of the Illuminati? They can't even do that. So I will cut that part out. But how is that possible? How can someone turn a cryptocurrency? You need to be super focused. Okay. Last time I did a video on Forex, I'll pin it at the end of this video. I explained on the conscious that you need to be conscious. So cryptocurrency is not something about it. Someone will just come up to you like, yo, I need this and this. It's like coming to you, someone telling I need gold. Or I have diamonds. Obviously you need a diamond tester. You need to be sure that the deal is legit before you purchase that thing. So same with cryptocurrency. Then another question is how much can be the minimum amount that someone can invest in cryptocurrency here in Zambia? Well, with CryptoBay, these guys you can invest as low as 100 kwacha. Their safety levels they're really good, as in they're really good, trust me. They are really good. If you want, most of Zambians, they actually explained something to me. Most Zambians, even you, like people who are watching this, if I were to ask you, how many times have you created a Gmail account? How many times? Reason being, you forget your password. Okay, like I said, I'll make a video and I'll pin it at the end of this video. I'll make part 2 of this video, but focusing on CryptoBay. So for this video, I just want to explain these key elements on this thing that's circulating on Facebook, on Twitter about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin here in Zambia. It is legit. People are doing it. Musicians are doing it. Just have the right source. So my recommendation is CryptoBay. You can check it out. I'll leave the business line down in the description below. You can just talk to them. Yeah, you can make a deal with them. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a mere person who has experienced a lot. I've been through a lot of financial difficulties. I've learned and a lot through businesses. I've been scammed a lot. So I don't really like to see other people being scammed. So that's why I tell people the right way on how to check things and everything like that. If I've helped you in any way, please let me know in the description below. If you need any help, let me know in the description below. I'll reply. I always reply every after in 24 hours. You'll find a way to reply. So if you need any help, description below. Oh, comment section below. Sorry, comment section below. You leave your comment there and I'll come and help you. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, then you haven't subscribed and you want content like this that involves money making, come on, subscribe. I'm sure it's somewhere there or there. I'm not sure where. But if it's here, please click the video that's here. And if the subscribe button is here, click the video that's here.